starting to boil. Everyone excited to see what happens next?
Mm-hmm. I know what's gonna happen.
Dinner side coffee. Okay, let's seal it up.
Oh, and then you seal it?
Yep. And we seal it.
Why don't you seal it in the beginning?
That's so
Then it fills up with water. And we take the stir stick.
That's the stir stick.
Yep.
It's a spoon.
What do you think, Oliver? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
We
It
let
was
this.
magic.
Yep. Let it do this for a minute or so.
Needs to boil, right? A bit.
Yeah, just for a little bit.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
Just like Grandma's.
Should get this sometime when I'm all grown up.
All right. And we're gonna remove
Oh!
heat.
It almost went over.
Yep, that's steam. And then we let it just naturally cool down
Mommy,
here.
told Dad why the sun was looking so weird on when we got Miss Diane her present.
Because of the fires?
There's fires in what town?
In what country?
Washington,
Oh, I thought it was in Canada.
Canada, but that's Washington's right there too.
Washington, and what was the next one, Mom?
I remember.
Washington had.
Ooh, there it goes.
Ooh, there it goes again.
Mmm,
Gonna go, it's going out.
really, really good coffee.
I like it how it made.